An employer reduces the number of employees by 1/9 and increases their wages by 1/14. What is the ratio of the total wages paid to the employees before the hike and after that? Now, because the denominator is 9, we'll assume the original number of employees as 9x. So therefore, the new number of employees will be 9x minus 1x because 1/9 of the employees are reduced. So 9x minus 1x, that is 8x. Now, let the original wages be equal to, now because the denominator is 14, we can assume the original wages to be 14y. So the new wages, now if you see here, it is increased by 1/14. So that means it will be 14y plus y, that is 15y. Now total wages is nothing but number of employees multiplied by wages. So therefore, we want to find out the ratio of the total wages paid to the employees before the hike and after that. So basically, we want the ratio of original total wages to new total wages. Now, original total wages will be 9x multiplied by 14y. And the new total wages will be 8x multiplied by 15y. So x gets cancelled, y gets cancelled. Now we have your 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. So therefore 7 3s are we have 21 and 5 4s are we have 20. So this is our final answer. 21 is to 20.